Hi children, good morning to all. In our last video class, we have seen chapter 10 measurement exercise 10.4. Okay ma. Then today we are going to see exercise 10.5 in the 10th chapter. Okay. Okay ma, in this exercise 10.5 we are going to see speed, distance and time. How to calculate the speed, distance and time. Okay, so we have a separate formulas to find out the speed, distance and time. Okay, listen, the speed formula, how to find the speed means we have to use this formula. The speed formula is distance by time. How to calculate the speed ma? How to find out the speed means you have to write the divide the distance by time, then only you can get the speed. This is the formula of speed. Then distance formula, how you can find the distance? Distance means speed into time. How you can find out? Speed into time. We multiply the speed and time means we can get the distance. Then time, how to find the time? Time, how to find the time means distance by speed. Distance by speed. How to find the time means distance divided by speed. Then only you can get the time. More or less speed and time, the both formulas both are similar only. Here we are dividing distance by time for speed. Time means here we are dividing distance by speed. Okay, these three formulas only we are going to use in this exercise 10.5. Okay, let's go to exercise 10.5 now. Okay ma, now we are going to see exercise 10.5. Okay, listen in 10.5, first sum. A person is walking at the rate of 3 kilometer per hour. 3 kilometer per hour. Okay, what distance will he cover in 6 hours? Listen, I read the question one more time. A person is walking at the rate of 3 kilometer per hour. A person walking at the rate of 3 kilometer per hour. What distance will he cover in 6 hours? What distance will he cover in 6 hours? So here they are telling the speed. 3 kilometer per hour is the speed. So what distance will he cover in 6 hours? So how we can find the answer? What formula here we have to use? Yes, distance formula we are going to use here. Then only we can find how many, what distance will he cover in 6 hours. Okay, right. Listen, the solution is A person walking in 1 hour. A person walking in 1 hour. What speed ma? 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer per hour. So that's why I write here 1 hour. Right. Now, what is the distance he covers in 6 hours? Distance in 6 hours. They are asking the distance in 6 hours. We don't know the distance in 6 hours. So here we are going to use the distance formula. What is the distance formula? What is the distance formula? You have to memorize the 3 formulas. Distance formula, then speed formula and time formula also. So distance formula means what you have to do? You have to multiply the speed and the time. Speed and time. Okay, this is the formula for distance. Just I am boxing that formula. So now you have to apply the speed and time into the formula. What is the speed? 3 kilometer per hour is the speed. So 3 kilometer is the speed. Then timing, what time they gave in 6 hours they are asking. So we have to multiply by 6 hours. So 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18 kilometer. The distance is 18 kilometer. A person covers distance in 6 hours. You have to write in a sentence form. A person covers distance in 6 hours. 6 hours. So what distance he covers in 6 hours ma? 18 kilometer. Okay. Once again I repeat the question. A person is walking at the rate of 3 kilometer per hour. What distance will he cover in 6 hours? Solution. A person walking in 1 hour. This is a speed. Okay. This is a speed. 1 hour 3 kilometer. He is walking 3 kilometer in 1 hour. So distance in 6 hours, how many what is the distance he covers in 6 hours? We don't know. So for that we have to use the distance formula to here. So the distance formula is speed into time. What is the distance formula? Speed into time. The speed is 3 kilometer. Timing 6 hours. They are asking for 6 hours only, no. So the timing is 6 hours. Then we have to multiply the speed into time. The speed is 3. Timing 6 hours, so 3 6 are 18. So the distance, a person covers distance in 6 hours is 18 kilometer. Okay, listen ma, in 10.5 they didn't give the space in your textbook, so you have to copy this question with answer in your class of note only. Okay, you write the exercise number 10.5, write the question with answer, copy in your class of note. Okay. Okay ma, second sum. A train is running at the rate of 130 kilometer per hour. Okay, how long will it how long will it take to cover a distance of 780 kilometer. Okay, listen. A train is running at the rate of 130 kilometer per hour. That means the train speed is 130 kilometer per hour. That means 1 hour. Okay, how long will it take to cover a distance of 780 kilometer? Here they gave the distance. They gave the distance and speed. What we are going to find out now? Yes, timing they didn't give. We are going to find out the time only. They are asking the time only. How long will it take to cover a distance of 780 kilometer? Okay, so here we are going to use the time formula and find out the answer. Okay ma, right. A train speed in 1 hour. Train speed in 1 hour. What is the speed? 130 kilometer. So now what they are asking? How long will it take to cover a distance of 780 kilometer? We don't know. A train takes time to cover 780 kilometer. We don't know the time, so it's a question mark. Okay, so the time only we are going to find out now. So we have to write the time formula. What is the time formula? Distance by speed. The time formula is distance by speed. Okay ma, so you have to memorize the time formula also. Okay, now they gave the distance and speed here. What is the distance they gave? 780 kilometer. What is the distance? 780 kilometer distance. Then speed also they gave. What is the speed? 130. What is the speed? 130 kilometer per hour. Okay, so you have to cancel 0 for 0. Then do you know the 13th table? So 1 13s are 13. So how many 13s will come for 78? 6 times it will come. 6 13s are 78. If you have doubt, you can multiply here. If you don't know the 13th table, you multiply here. 3 6 are 18 for 8, remaining 1. 1 6 are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 78. So how many times it will come? 6 times. So you have to cancel it kilometer for kilometer. Okay, so 6 hours. What is the time? 6 hours. Now we find the timing. How long the train will take to cover a distance means it takes 6 hours. It takes 6 hours. 6 hours is the answer. Okay, one more time I explain you. A train is running at the rate of 130 kilometer per hour. How long will it take to cover a distance of 780 kilometer? Here they gave the speed and the distance also, but they didn't give the timing. Now we are going to find out the timing only. So for that you have to use the timing formula. The time formula is distance by speed. The distance they are asking for 780 kilometer. The speed is per hour 130 kilometer. So I cancel this 0 for this 0. Then I am using 13th table. 1 13s are 13, 6 13s are 78. Kilometer for kilometer cancelled. So 6 hours. So how long the train will takes to cover 780 kilometers? 6 hours. Okay. So the second sum also we have tried in a class work note, question with answer. Then we go to the next one. Okay ma, next one, third one. Third one, a bus travels 1200 kilometer 1200 kilometer in 24 hours. In 24 hours. Listen, here they gave in 24 hours speed only they gave. They didn't give for 1 hour. Per hour they didn't give. Find the speed of speed of the bus. Find the speed of the bus. Here clearly they gave, we are going to find out the speed of the bus. They gave the distance and they gave the timing also. Now we are going to find the speed of the bus. Listen how we can find the answer. A bus travels in 24 hours. A bus travels in 24 hours 1200 kilometer. Okay, then we are going to find the speed of the bus. Speed of the bus we don't know. So we have to write the speed formula. So what is speed formula? Distance by time. Distance by time. Okay, what is the distance they gave? 1200 kilometer. The distance they gave 1200 kilometer. By timing, what they gave? 24 hours. 24 hours. Okay, now we are going to cancel it. So I am going to cancel it for 12th table. Do you know the 12th table? No? See, 1 12s are 12, 1 time 2 zeros. So I cancelled by 12th table. Here I am cancelling by 12th table by 2 times. 1 12s are 12, 2 12s are 24. So 100 by 24. Then again I am cancel it by 2 times only. No, see here I wrote 24. So 100 by 2. Again I am going to cancel this 100 by 2 table. 1 2s are 2. Here in 10, 5 2s are 10. This 0 will come automatically. So that means 50 kilometer per hour. 50 kilometer per hour. What is the speed of the bus? Speed of the bus is 50 kilometer per hour. Per hour means 1 hour. 1 hour speed is 50 kilometer. Okay. Once again I repeat it. A bus travels 1200 kilometer in 24 hours. Find the speed of the bus. So clearly they are asking the speed of the bus. A bus travels in 24 hours is 1200 kilometer. Then speed of the bus they didn't give question mark. You have to apply the speed formula. The speed formula is distance by time. The distance they gave 1200 kilometer. Timing they gave 24 hours. I am going to take the 12th table. 1 12s are 12, 2 zeros are there. So 100 by here. 2 12s are 24 2 times. Again I am cancel it by 2 table. 1 2s are 2 and 100 50 times. So that means the speed of the bus is 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. So copy the question with the answer in your class of note. We go to the next one, fourth sum. Okay ma. Next one, fourth. A journey of a journey of 8640 kilometer is completed in 6 hours. Completed in 6 hours by flight. By flight. Different vehicles they are giving. Bus, then walking, then train. Now they gave flight. Okay. Find the speed of the plane. Also listen, also find the time taken to cover a distance of 14,040 kilometer. Oh God. Okay, listen. Here in this one more time I will read the question first. A journey is 8640 kilometer is completed in 6 hours by flight. Here full stop ma. By flight. Find the speed of the plane. So first one we have to find the speed of the plane. They gave the timing and the distance also. We are going to find the timing. No, speed. For first one we are going to find the speed. In this question they are asking two questions. Sub questions are there. First one they gave the distance and timing. We are going to find out the speed. Then in that same question they are asking also find the time taken to cover a distance of 14,040 kilometer. Another one sub question they are asking. We have to find the distance. They gave the another one question we are going to find the timing. They gave the distance with speed. Speed means here only we are going to find the speed ma. That same speed we are going to use for the second question. Okay, va? Right, listen. So first question, because they are asking two sub questions here. For the first one we are going to find the speed. First we are going to find the speed. Okay. So distance covered by flight in 6 hours. Distance covered by flight in 6 hours. What's the distance? 8,640 kilometer. Right. For this question we are going to find out the speed. We don't know speed, so here we are going to use the speed formula. What's the speed formula? You memorized or not? What is the speed formula? Distance by time. Distance by time. Okay, what is the distance? This space is enough. Okay, so what is the distance, ma? 8,640 by timing. What timing they gave? 6 hours or 8 hours, ma? 8 hours, sorry, I wrote here wrongly. 8 hours, not a 6 hours. 6 hours, so by 8 hours. Okay, now I am going to cancel it. 1 8s are 8. Then remaining 2 is there. 26. 10 times it will come. Okay. 10 8 6 4 0 means, so 8 times it will come again. 8 times 0, so 1080 kilometer per hour. So I cancel it. 1080 kilometer per hour. Listen, ma. 1 time 1 8s are 8. 6 is the smallest number, so you have to write 0. Then 64. How many times it will come? 8 8s are 64. 8 times 0. So 1080 kilometer per hour. So what is the speed? The speed is 1080 kilometer per hour. Okay, then the same question we have to use this speed. Use this kilometer, this distance, 14,040. We are going to find out the time. So what is the formula to find the time? So second question, ma. We are going to find out the time. What is the formula to time? Distance by speed. So what is the distance here? They gave the distance. Here no space, so that's why I am writing here. You have to copy here. Otherwise this full sum I work out here. Ma, wait. Second sum. The same question. They gave one more sub question. That answer I am writing here. It's the first one. Second one I am writing here. Here we are going to find out the speed. Sorry, speed we already find out. Time. Timing. What is the formula to find out the time? Distance by speed. This is the formula. Okay. So what is the distance here? They gave the new another one distance, no? 14,040 kilometer by speed. Just now we find out the speed. What is the speed? 1080 kilometer. Here also kilometer. Here also kilometer. You cancel this kilometer for kilometer. Okay, I am going to take here by 2 table only. 5 times 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, 0. I am writing here 5 4 0. Then here 5 4 0. No need to 0. Wait, I am cancel this 0 for 0. Then the simplification is easy. So 54 only. Okay. This I cancel this 0 for this 0, kilometer for kilometer. Then in 10 means 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8. In 14, 7 times it will come, no? 7 2s are 14. 7 times. Then this 0 will automatically come here. 2 2s are 4. So 702 by 54. Again I am using 2 table. Again I am using 2 table. So in 7 how many times it will come? 3 2s are 6 amma. So remaining 1 10. 5 2s are 10. 1 2s are 2. By here in 54 means 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1 is there. Now you have 14. So 7 2s are 14. Okay. Then next I am taking 3 table. Okay, 27 is there, no? So I am taking 3 table. 9 3s are 27. 9 times 9 3s are 27. Here 1 3s are 3. In 5 1 3s are 3. So 5 minus 3 2 is there, 21. So how many times it will come in 3 table? 7 times it will come. 7 3s are 21. 7 times. Okay. So 117 by 9. Then again I am going to take 9th table. What I am going to take? 9th table. 1 9s are 9. Here also 1 9s are 9. Remaining 2 is there. So 3 9s are 27. 13 by 1, no need. So 13 hours. 13 hours. So the answer is 13 hours. For the second question answer 13 hours. So this full workout you have to write in your class of note. Okay. 2 table. Here also 2 table. Here I am using 3 table. 9th table. Okay. So the time the flight takes 13 hours. Time equal to 13 hours. So you have tried one by one for the first question answer up to this speed. We find out the speed. First question. Then this is the second one. Okay. Right. Copy the question with answer in your class of note. We go to the next one. Okay, ma. Next one, 5th one. A car is traveling. Okay, ma. Read the question. You copy the question from your book. Okay, ma. 5th one also they are asking the question in 2 ways. So the space is not enough. Again, I have to rub the board. So I read the question, you copy the question from your textbook. Okay, va? Listen. A car is traveling at the rate of 75 km per hour. A car is traveling at the rate of 75 km per hour. That means the speed 75 km per hour. Find the distance covered in 9.5 hours. 9.5 hours. Here clearly they gave, we are going to find the distance of the car. Okay. Then also they are asking some sub question. Also find the time time taken to cover a distance of 975 kilometer. This sum also look like a previous sum. Okay, so this is a question. I am work out the answer only. You copy the question from your textbook. Fifth one, solution. First we are going to find the distance of the car. Car's speed per hour. Car speed per hour. What's the speed per hour? 75 kilometer. Okay, now we are going to find out the distance in 9.5 hours. We don't know the distance, so we have to use the distance formula. What is the distance formula? We have to multiply the speed into time, isn't it or not? Speed into time. So what is the speed here? 75 kilometer. 75 kilometer is the speed. Then timing they gave 9.5 hours. Here I am writing the 9.5 hours in a decimal form. That means 9.5 hours. Okay, so you multiply this 75 into 9.5 means the answer will come 7,125. Okay, if you want you can multiply on the side. So here after one digit you have to place the decimal point, because here also you have a decimal point. That means what is the answer? 712 kilometer 500 meter. This is the answer. Okay, the second one, they are asking the distance. In the second sub question they gave distance. We are going to find out the timing. Okay, so what distance they gave? In your book itself they gave the distance. What distance they gave? 975 kilometer. Okay, then for this one we are going to find out the timing. Timing we don't know, so we have to use the time formula. What is the time formula? Distance by speed. Distance by speed. So what is the distance for this one? 975. 975. Speed. What speed we find out now? 75 kilometer. They already gave in your book itself. 75 kilometer is the speed. So we have to cancel this distance by speed. So I am going to cancel it by 25 table. 3 25s are 75, and here in 97 3 25s are 75. So remaining is there. That means 225. It will come 9 times. 9 times. So here I am using 3 table. 1 3s are 3. Here also 1 3s are 3. 3 3s are 9. So 13 hours. What is the timing? 13 hours. The timing is 13 hours is the answer. Okay, ma? Right. So then you copy the question with the answer. We go to the next one, sixth sum. Okay, da. Next one. Next one also, I read the question. You copy the question from your textbook. Sixth one. Because in this question also, they are asking two questions. A cyclist is traveling at the rate of 9 km per hour. A cyclist is traveling at the rate of 9 km per hour. Find the distance traveled in 8 hours. Find the distance traveled in 8 hours. So here one question, we have to find the distance. Okay. Then second one, also find the speed. Find the speed if he covers the same distance in 10 hours. In 10 hours. So first one we are going to find the distance, second one we are going to find the speed. Okay. Listen. Solution. A cyclist speed in 1 hour. A cyclist speed in 1 hour. What is the speed, ma? 9 km. Here we are going to find the distance in 8 hours. Distance in 8 hours we don't know. So you have to use the distance formula here. What is the distance formula? We have to multiply the speed into time. This is a distance formula. Okay. What is the speed, ma? 9 km. 9 km is the speed. Timing 8 hours. So 9 into 8. What will come? 9 8s are 72 kilometer. 72 kilometer. This is the distance. So what is the distance? He traveled in 8 hours, ma? 72 kilometer. Okay. So in the same question, sub question, second one. Here I am going to find the speed. What is the formula to find the speed? Distance by time. Distance by time. We don't know the speed here, so we are going to find out the speed. For that I am using speed formula. So the distance they gave, what distance they gave? 72 kilometer. Just now we find, no, that 72 kilometer is the distance. By timing they gave 10 hours. Timing they gave in 10 hours. So we have to cancel it. I am going to use here 10 table. 1 tens are 10 here. 72 means 7 times it will come. No, 7 tens are 72. So 2 will be remaining 2 is there. So I am keep the decimal point and add 0. Then I have 20. So 2 tens are 20. So 7.2 kilometer per hour. 7.2 kilometer per hour. It's the answer. So speed. The speed is 72 kilometer. 7.2 kilometer per hour. That's all. So second one question answer. The sixth sum also they are asking two. They are asking two questions. One is we have to find the distance. Another one we have to find the speed. So the distance is 72 kilometer. Second one, the speed is 7.2 kilometer per hour. Okay, so in this 10.5 exercise 10.5 they gave 5 sums. So I work out all sums. So you have to write the question with answer in your class of note. Then in page number 119, after the exercise 10.5 they gave one lab activity. You have to do that activity at your home. Very simple activity only. Find the weight of the following. They are gave the coins. You have to find and write the weight of the coins. You have the coins. Now you are staying at your home only, no? See, 5 rupee coin, weight of the 5 rupee coin weight, then 2 rupee coin weight, 1 rupee coin weight. You have to find the weight and write in the book itself. Okay, so page number 119 is your lab activity, is your homework. You have to copy in your textbook. Okay ma, so this chapter is over now. We go to the next chapter in your next video class. Okay ma, thank you.